Now we shall discuss about the judiciary. Judiciary refers to an institution empowered to administer justice and provide a mechanism for the resolution of legal disputes. The Indian judiciary consists of a Supreme Court for the entire nation, High Court and a subordinate court in the state, district court and the court at local level and Lok Adalats. India has an integrated or unified judiciary. It means that the Supreme Court controls the judicial administration in the country. Its decisions are binding on all other courts of the country. The judiciary is not under the control of the legislature or executive. The judges do not act on the direction of the government or according to the wishes of the political party in power. It means the judiciary of India is independent. The judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court are appointed by the President on advice of the Prime Minister and in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The senior judges of the Supreme Court select the new judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court. The senior-most judge of the Supreme Court is usually appointed as the Chief Justice. Now, let's discuss how the judges can be removed. Once a person is appointed as judge of the Supreme Court or the High Court, it is nearly impossible to remove him or her from the position. A judge can be removed only by an impeachment motion passed separately by the two-thirds member of the two houses of the Parliament. It has never happened in the history of Indian democracy. Powers of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court can take up any dispute between the citizens and the country, between citizens and the government, between two or more state governments, between government at the union and state level. Now, let's discuss about the role of the Supreme Court and the High Court. The Supreme Court and the High Court have the power to interpret the constitution of the country. They can declare invalid any law of the legislature or the actions of the executive, whether at the union level or the state level. If they find such a law or action is against the constitution, they can determine the constitutional validity on any legislation of the action of the executive in the country when it is challenged before them. This is known as judicial review. The Supreme Court of India has also ruled that the core or the basic principles of the Constitution cannot be changed by the Parliament alone. Now, let's discuss about the judiciary as a highest authority. The powers and the independence of the Indian judiciary allow it to act as the guardian of the fundamental right. Anyone can approach the court if public interest is hurt by the action of the government. This is called PIL or public interest litigation. The courts intervene to prevent the misuse of the government's power to make decisions. They check malpractices on the part of public officials. That is why the judiciary enjoys a high level of confidence among the people.